I'm back again. I'm here. It's been a while. It's been a while that I haven't shown you or created any videos for you. It's been 3 years. I've been on hiatus for a while because I've been busy with work and other stuff. But I'm here again, so I'd like to do another video for you and hopefully inspire you more. So, what we're doing today is we're going to review and also I'm going to show you how to build apps in PowerApps. Um, so, basically, PowerApps is one of the Power Platform applications of Microsoft that they developed a few years back. It has a lot of renovations, changes for many years, but it continually help businesses on how to like make it easier for them doing business processes, business operations by building apps, a low code, no code kind of approach. So you can publish your apps right away, build them on the fly. Um, the good thing about the apps here is that the apps can support anything, basically anything. It can have direct access to databases, great forms to gather information or data for all the users, and also you can use it to visualize. You can also use it to automate processes, simplify. So I think this is one of the good tools that Microsoft have delivered so far. And you can try it for free for 30 days. There are um, other apps in the Power Platform, such as Power Apps, Power BI, Power Automate that you can try because they are all integrated when you're trying to create a solution or an app. All right. So in establishing the data source, there were various data sources. So, but for the purposes of this exercise or for me showing you, demonstrating this to you, I would use OneDrive. But again, um, there are other various sources. So what I did was I uploaded the sample worksheet or the data into my OneDrive, and also a bit of hint. Whenever you're using Excel files as a data source, make sure it's free from all filters and any other uh, filters or sorting. Just make sure that it's all plain like this. It's text and numbers. No formulas, no other stuff that will hinder your data source because it will just break. So once we're done with that, I uploaded it here in my OneDrive account. Then after uploading it, I created the connection to from the Power Apps to my OneDrive. This is how you do it. If you select it on left side, connections, Power Apps, you just have to select which one you choose. But so just like I mentioned earlier, there are various sources. You can do SharePoint, you can use OneDrive for Business. And it depends on the preference of your group or your company. Looks like this once you're creating connection. Very easy to use, very easy to customize. So it will take you to an authorization page or a link where you have to sign in, pick an account. So in this one, I have already done that. Once I have established that connection, you go to create. And from create, there are various options again in order to create your app. So you can directly do it from SharePoint, Dataverse, Blank App. There are other sources online that could guide you in this one. I would share the links to them, but I can also create. I might be creating in the future and how to do start it from Blank App, Dataverse, and SharePoint, and even SQL. Uh, But for this purposes, I'm using Excel. Select it there. What it does, it goes to the connections that you have established. I have select that one, and I have to just find where I uploaded that file. There you go. And then select, click connect, power app instantaneously identifies it, creates that connection for you, brings that file into the interface, and that's it. That's it. So, off to the next piece. So, once it's loaded, um, it looks like this. In default, if you're loading an Excel file, it Power Apps basically defaulted it into a look of a phone view or a phone format. So, in order for us to appreciate it more, we go to the preview mode. In the preview mode, this is but basically how it looks like in a phone. So you can refresh, you can sort it, you can add a new item. Let's go back. You can search as well. Like for example, it's like marketing. So anything that has marketing in it so only get selected. Alright, so let's get out of preview mode. Let me talk to you through the tree view. The tree view comprises of the app, browse screen, detail screen, and the edit screen. So basically, what it does, it talks you through or guides you on how you can edit it. On the right side of the screen is the advanced and properties. This is where you can basically edit your app. You see, browse gallery. So each of these icons or these entries right here represents each item inside your Power App. So for the details screen, talks about the details of your uh, Power App or your app. So see that you can edit the text, how it looks like in your Power App. Triggers, this is where triggers really happen in the details screen. In the edit screen, um, so basically this is where uh, more of the if you want to create new records, so basically how it looks like if you want to delete or edit or create new records. All right, so for sample purposes, we want to change this from uh, a mobile phone setting. Let's try to zoom out a bit. All we have to do is just click this gearbox or gear icon right here. Let me see. Go. Let's select first the browse screen, then click this one. Go to display. You see the orientation is always defaulted into portrait of a cell phone if you're loading Excel files. So try to do landscape for it. All right. So we go out and it looks. Oh, it got distorted. So, but no worries. It's an easy fix for um, Power Apps. So what I did, it's like similar to other platforms of Microsoft. You can control all, but in this one we will leave the icons because if I stretch it or adjust the size, the icons will be distorted. So select all. What else did I do? No. There you go. So the display is already a landscape. It automatically reads what you want to do, basically. It adjusts the icons there, put them in place. So now we're in horizontal. The same way with this one. So it's not distorted. All the icons are in place. What do we do? It looks like we have a lot of space here. Uh, well, let's go to the edit screen. It looks like it's too crowdy. We want multiple columns. Let's try maybe 2 columns or three. So that's how it looks like. Uh, we can also change the theme color of our app. If you want it coral, it depends. So at least it is all adjusted right away. But again, you can choose based on what you want. We can also choose the color of your background, which is that one. We don't like that. We just want it white. And also in the browse screen and in the edit screen, you can have a background image. So that's a really cool option. But again, it gets distorted. It depends. But usually, creating those kinds of things, you have to, like, for purposes of creating a brand name, keeping the standards of presentation or tools in all communications, you have to have a logo. You can put it here. So pretty much that's it. Let's go get in preview mode again. If you want to add an item, it's right here. And then if you want some more stuff, like you want to edit, like for example, just for changing it, this one. This one looks really cramped up there, but again, it's already defaulted by the by PowerApps. For example, this. I just want to show this to you. All right, so you see how it looks like. It's like a hierarchical order of objects in your Power App, so you can control it down to the very little detail, like um, start visible, error message, data card value, data card key. So you can change it. You can change the tags if you want to change it. It's up to you. Everything is highly customizable, and again, it's no code, no codes. It's very simple. So, on to the next video. I'm gonna show you how to publish and save it.